Hi, it's Anna from Kingsbridge, just sending over a quick video of our 2022 Hyundai I30N. This is the 2-litre turbo finished in Phantom Black. It's in really nice condition. It's got a Maxton body kit. It's got these really nice Satin Grey alloys with red brake calipers. It's 2 private owners. We actually sold it to the previous owner, and we recently brought it back. I think he was going off to university, so didn't need it anymore. It's full service history, main dealer and specialist independent. Last service has just been done July 2025, and that was done at Hyundai. It also had new brake discs and pads. Comes with 2 keys. It's in really nice condition, as you can see. It's got the Maxton Design Kit. Overall, it's really lovely condition. I always say with black cars, we would recommend our ceramic coating package, which includes a 2-stage machine polish and geon quartz ceramic coating, just to perfect any light swirl marks in the paint and give it 3 years protection as well. Pretty much 80% of the cars that we sell go out with ceramic on. Let me show you the interior. Locking it. So you've got electric seats, memory seats, heated as well. Turn it on. Sounds great as well. These are really nice half leather, half Alcantara seats. Also got a heated steering wheel on these as standard. Digital display in the middle, lane keep assist as well. Really nice condition inside.